Hey everybody. Hey. How are y'all doing? So I just took my block of cheese and just started slicing. It don't have to be perfect, but you do want it to be kind of small because you want it to evenly melt, okay? And y'all, this cheese smells, oh my goodness, so good. This dish is good for, people who are trying to lose weight. It's low calories, like little to no calories. Of course the cheese has calories in it, and but this is a low calorie snack. This could be your lunch with a piece of turkey. This could be great. And I get a lot of emails, Cherie, do something for vegetarians, people trying to lose weight, stuff like that. So this is definitely one of those meals. Alright, y'all, I have my tomatoes. I've already washed them thoroughly, and we're only doing 2. There we go. And you probably won't get that many slices out of your tomatoes, but this is what you want. Block. So you're gonna do like two pieces of paper. You want to put you some parchment paper, foil, one of those. That way you don't pretty much mess up your dish. Alright. So here's our tomatoes. Just look at all that moisture that came off of them. I want to season them well. We seasoning these today. So we're going in with some black pepper. Put as much as you like. Black pepper won't kill you. Not like salt can damage you, but we're going in with some black pepper. I don't want to do too much. I just want to have the seasoning on it. So then I'm going in with some accent. Now this has sodium in it, so I'm not going crazy with it. Then I'm going in with some Italian seasoning. Yes, Lord. Yes. And for those of you who don't know, Italian seasoning has all of the herbs that you want. It has basil, oregano, rosemary, and thyme. So I use Italian seasoning a lot. I want to flip these babies over, because these are babies, We done took all that time and worked on them and cut them and washed them and stuff like that. Listen, you gotta have tomatoes. So we're going back in with the same seasonings. And you want to make sure it's getting on you can pile it on if you want to. Dried parsley, you can use fresh parsley. I have some fresh parsley, but I wanted to use this parsley. And you want to put it on there because we want that green to pop through that white cheese on that cheese. Now, I'm going in with some of my sweet heat peppers. These are not hot at all. They have a good taste to it. It's got some sweetness in there. Alright, I'm not putting that much. I just sprinkle a little bit. Now, we are going in with, you gotta have some oil. And we are using avocado oil today. Yes. You can use olive oil. You can use sunflower oil, coconut oil if you want to. It just depends on your preference, but today we are using avocado oil. Ooh, look at that, y'all. want to tell you all. We are going to put our beautiful babies in the oven on broil, okay? These are going on broil. We're not baking them. We're not cooking them like that. We're just wanting to get this cheese nice and golden and crispy, okay? So I'm going to start off with 5 minutes. You do not want to walk away from this. You want to check your babies, okay? So I'm going in for 5 minutes and then I'll show y'all what they look like. Y'all, the tomatoes just came out the oven. Y'all, I gotta get my composure. I gotta get my composure. The way my kitchen smells right now is unbelievable, okay? I'm just letting you know now. It's unbelievable. Now, I gotta try this stuff because